we're coming to know that all 7 NSA detainees associated with Amritpal Singh have now been taken to Punjab by the flight today under tight security. Now, this is a big update coming in right now. Punjab police has secured their transit demand and remand, completing the legal transfer process to Dibrugarh Central Jail. As per source, they will be taken on 2 different flights. 3 of them have been already brought to Mohanbadi Airport in Dibrugarh for the onward flight to Punjab by Indigo flight scheduled to depart at 10 a.m. later on the day. The rest 4 will be taken by another flight. All 7 NSA detainees associated with Amritpal Singh are being taken to Punjab by flight today under tight security. I want to go across to my colleague joining us. Lalit, take our viewers through latest details coming in. Amritpal's aides being taken to Punjab. And what would happen after that? What can we expect next?
If we talk about the NSA of the 7 associates of Amritpal has been revoked by the Punjab government. So now around 25 teams, police officials of Punjab has been there from the past the 4 to 5 days, and their transit remand has been taken from the magistrate in Assam, and now all the 7 associates of Amritpal would be brought back to the Punjab, where they would be presented before the district magistrate, and after that the legal action would be taken against the 7 associates of Amritpal. So they would be arrested, and after that the cases would be pursued against them. To make you recall that around a week before, all the 7 associates of Amritpal whose NSA has to be ended and were expiring, this time this was...
All right. Thank you for joining us, Lalit, with all those details. Amritpal's aides being taken to Punjab. We will be right back because we have a lot lined up for you after a short break. Stay tuned as we are continuing to be live and breaking. And we have one more story coming right up. Now, Punjab police have detained 200 farmers in Khanori and are removing posters from the Shambu border. Around 3,000 cops are present in the border areas using bulldozers to remove temporary structures.